too much. Since then, they keep on saying, "Mommy, cook lasagna, cook lasagna." I say, wait, yo, lasagna is here every day. So during the weekend like this, I'll just cook it, and they will be very happy. When they hear that I'm cooking lasagna, they will shout, "Yeah!" They will be very happy. So I don't know, you guys, do you like lasagna? Let me know in the comment section if you like lasagna or your kids love or like lasagna. So this is the last one. So it's going to be, we're going to add all here. We're going to add all here. Let me know where you are watching me from, guys. I love you too. Well, guys, I love you so much for joining and chatting with me. This is a wonderful weekend. The month of March will bring every good thing to March in our life. Amen and amen. So now I will go ahead to add our lasagna, a lasagna plate. I call it a lasagna plate. This is already made one. Some people do their own fresh, but I don't have that kind of time to do it fresh, so I have to buy the one they have already done. I soak this in a water like a small time. So guys, now I will cover the places that is not well covered. So I still have a packet of this here, but I don't want to use it. So you say you don't cook the paste. No, sis, I don't cook it. I make it. I just wet it. I do not cook it. Some people do cook it. You can hear me saying that when I cook it, it will be too soft. It will be too soft after done. So what I do is I just soak it in the water and bring it out and begin to add. You will see very small time now. This will be done. You will see the difference. I've cooked the one of cooking before, and the plate it will be too soft, and I don't really like it. So that's why I don't cook. But you can go ahead to cook yours if it's what you want. So this is the last batch of our meat. Finish adding it. Finish adding it. If you are watching from now, if you are just joining, you can as well watch from the beginning how we prepare the sauce and everything. Our sauce has finished. This is, we don't have sauce again. So what we are going to do now, this is the last one I'm doing here. I will now go ahead to add our cheese. So this our cheese will be the last thing we're going to add now. I will add generous amount of this cheese to cover, and after cooking you will like how the cheese will be. So this is not enough. I think I have to open this. I have to open this. My scissors is not near me here, so I'll make small open here, and I will open it easier. Live cooking of lasagna in Chikwado Space. Chikwado Space Kitchen. We cook all the wonderful and amazing food. Intercontinental dishes, we cook it here in Chikwado Space. So stay tuned so that we can be cooking with you. So we will cover it and also add it in the oven. Our last batch. Guys, don't go away. Let's see the outcome of our cheese, our lasagna. I will now cover it and go and add it. So make a photo of me